The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage continues the brand's tradition of delivering a striking blend of luxury, performance, and style. This high-performance sports car is designed to captivate enthusiasts with its dynamic capabilities, opulent interior, and bold exterior styling. Exterior: the 2025 Vantage showcases Aston Martin's signature sleek and aggressive design language. Key features include aerodynamic elegance, a low-slung profile with a reimagined front grille and sharper LED headlamps for a modern look. Lightweight materials, extensive use of carbon fiber for improved performance and durability. Customizable palette, buyers can choose from a range of vibrant and classic color options. Sporty accents, redesigned 21-inch alloy wheels, integrated spoilers, and quad exhaust outlets emphasize its race-inspired design. Performance: under the hood, the Vantage is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering up to 528 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 3.5 seconds. Advanced suspension systems and precise steering provide an unparalleled driving experience, whether on winding roads or racetracks. Interior: the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. Premium materials, leather, alcantara, and brushed aluminum adorn every surface. Advanced technology: a new 10.25-inch infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration and a high-resolution digital driver's display. Driver-centric design, ergonomic controls, customizable ambient lighting, and heated ventilated sports seats. Exclusive touches, handcrafted finishes, and options for personalized stitching and trims. Safety: the 2025 Vantage prioritizes safety alongside performance. Active systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. Enhanced vision, 360-degree cameras, and night vision for added awareness. Crash protection, reinforced chassis, and multiple airbags ensure passenger safety. The starting price for the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is approximately $150,000, with higher trims and customizations reaching up to $200,000 or more. Overall assessment: the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is more than just a car, it's an experience. With breathtaking aesthetics, unmatched performance, and a luxurious interior, it remains a top contender in the high-performance sports car segment. It's an ideal choice for those who want a perfect blend of power, prestige, and exclusivity.